Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 5, we can put into x squared and x to the power of 3. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, because we have x to the power of 3, so I will put number 4 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides for this one. First, the derivative of u squared, we have to u du. First, the derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So the square root we change by u. X to the power of 3 we change by this one. 3x squared dx we change by u du. Next, number 2 I will put outside u and u, we have u squared. So u squared we multiply by u squared and number 4. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.